Today, we're going to design a complete website using Google's new AI tool, Antigravity, and then take that design and make it live using WordPress. So by the end of this process, you'll have a fully designed and functional website ready to go live. For this, I'm using Google's Antigravity tool. If you haven't heard of it, just search it on Google. Go to its page, download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and install it by simply clicking Next. Integrate it with VS Code or start fresh, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, open the Agent Manager by clicking the option or pressing Ctrl+E. If it's your first time, click Next, choose Open Local Folder, create a folder, and select Trust Folder and continue to set up your workspace. Before starting, set the model to Gemini Pro 3 High and Mode to Planning. Then enter a prompt to create a modern, responsive bus travel website with proper header, footer, multiple pages like home, about, routes, booking, fleet, offers, contact, and FAQ, along with a clean UI, mobile-friendly layout, and orange/red accent colors. Send the prompt and let the AI generate a complete plan. Once you see the option to proceed or implement, click it. And if a run command appears, select Always Run, so the process continues smoothly. Sometimes the tool may even run the site locally for preview. After a while, the full structure will be ready. Then give another command to review the site's functionality and animation smoothness, and the AI will automatically test everything like buttons, animations, and overall performance. Once your site is ready, you can see all sections working properly. Next, ask the AI to improve the UI for a more polished and professional look. It will update the design and CSS, which you can find in the index.css file and preview in your browser. After that, optimize the content by asking the AI to act as a content strategist, refine the copy, and align it with the design, then implement those changes. Finally, to move this design to WordPress, go to try.new to create a temporary WordPress setup and give a command to convert the design into a fully structured WordPress layout. Implement the plan, and in some cases the AI may even generate a ready-to-use theme in a zip file. Then simply go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Themes, click Add New, upload the zip file, install, and activate it. Once activated, visit your site and boom, the entire design is now live on WordPress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.